Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change ear tips and ear wings for your earbuds Sony. You have to start by remove the old ear tips, so let's get started with the left earbud and just remove it. Then you need to remove ear wings. And let's make it. Here we go. Now let's move to the right one, and right here we also need to remove these ear wings. Here we go. After that, select new ear tips and ear wings size and just attach it. Here we go. And now ear tip. Then let's move to the right earbud, and also we need to attach it. Here we go. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!